Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, bro? I hope you are doing good. First of all, I want to say very. First of all, thank you very much, bro, for trusting. Okay, you have two questions. One was social media budget, and the second was inserting code. Okay, let me show you how you can do this. Okay, here we are our WP dashboard. Now we need to go. Sorry, you need to change what.